Why do we compare? We compare usually to tell the difference of size or appearance between two different objects or things. Take a look at the set of apples. Let us compare these. After comparing, we understand that set 1 has more apples. Let us make one more comparison. Take a look at these watermelons. After comparing, we understand that set 2 has lesser watermelons. Let us now look at another example. Can you compare these apples and watermelons? No, you can't, because apples and watermelons are two different types of fruits with two different sizes. So we can say that to compare anything, we have to group them under a common type. In this case, the common type is fruits. That is why we can say 5 fruits are more than 3 fruits. Now let's have a look at these two fractions, 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. Can you tell which of these fractions is bigger just by looking at them? No, we cannot. This is because they are unlike fractions and they don't have any common element. Two fractions can be compared with each other only when they share a common denominator. But is it possible to convert unlike fractions like 3 by 5 and 2 by 7 into like fractions? Yes, of course it is possible. Unlike fractions are converted into like fractions using LCM method. So let us convert these fractions into like fractions. Now, the like fractions are 21 by 35 and 10 by 35. Now that we have a common element, can you compare these fractions and tell which value is greater? Since 21 is greater than 10, 21 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35. So, 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. Another method to compare two fractions is cross multiplication method. You can compare the results of both the multiplications and see which is greater or lesser. Be aware of one thing, that this method is only used for comparisons of two fractions. So now let's start practicing.
Created using Powtoon.